everyone, it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful February day. Yes, it is Tuesday, the 25th of February here, 2025. And we have a little bit of sunshine, just a little bit, just a teeny little bit. And today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing, yes. So, as you can see, I have received my first PR pack this year, yes. So, before I get started, if I could ask you, if you have not done so already, to please consider liking, subscribing and following me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art. And please hit that little notification bell and it will notify you of my future video uploads, okay? Also, yes, I hope you've all had a beautiful week so far, or beginning of the week. And this has been sent to me by the lovely people at GBFKE. So I will provide all the links for the products shown in today's video in the video description box down below. And yes, I will also put any discount codes, if I have any, down below also, okay? Right, let's get started. So, I did have to have a sneak peek because I am expecting a few PR packs. So, yeah, we had to have a little look. So, we have one cross stitch and 3 diamond paintings here to unbag with yourselves. So grab yourselves a coffee because it's going to be, yeah, it's going to be a long one, I think. And let's get started, okay? So I think I'm going to do the 3 diamond paintings first, and we'll leave the cross stitch until the end. And I will also tell you the prices at the end of the video, okay? So, let's start off with this small snack size, 30 by 30 partial. The thing I love about partials, 30 by 30s, is you can get them done in like an afternoon easily, because it's not a full diamond painting. There we go. It's a bit wrinkly and it's on a black background, which is good because it means once the diamonds are on there, they're going to jump out at you. Yes. And be extra sparkly. So, the symbols are numerical and alphabetical. And that's the painting so far. Let me just point you down a bit. So 30 by 30 is the overall canvas size, not the picture size, okay? So good adhesive. And I got this one because it just reminded me a bit like a Spanish señorita with her fan in her hand, waving her flamenco dress around. Oh yes. Just brought back a few childhood memories because I had a flamenco dress growing up. Yes, I did. I would put a picture of it up, but it's not very flattering because, yeah, it's just not flattering picture at all. But I did have a flamenco dress and I did insist on walking around the shops one Saturday morning dressed in it in the UK. So I can imagine in the 80s, late 80s, I would have looked quite a sight. Anyway, standard toolkit comes with it. Green boat, your pink pen and your little bit of wax there. Single placer pen as well. That's all you need if you're new to diamond painting and just want to give it a little taste to see if you like it. 10, 12, 13 colours. We get there eventually. And yeah, and the symbols are all nice and clear. No blur vision with those symbols at all. 10, 12, 13 colours. We get there eventually. And yeah, and the symbols are all nice and clear. No blur vision with those symbols at all. 10, 12, 13 colours. We get there eventually. And yeah, no blur vision with those symbols at all. 10, 12, 13 colours. We get there eventually. And yeah, no blur vision with those symbols at all. 10, 12, 13 colours. We get there eventually. And yeah, no blur vision with those symbols at all. 10, 12, 13 colours. We get there eventually. And yeah, no blur vision with those symbols at all. 10, 12, 13 colours. We get there eventually. And yeah, no blur vision with those symbols at all. 10, 12, 13 colours. We get there eventually. And yeah, no blur vision with those symbols at all. 10, 12, 13 colours. We get there eventually. And yeah, no blur vision with those symbols at all. 10, 12, 13 colours. We get there eventually. And yeah, no blur vision with those symbols at all. 10, But I am really loving the partials at the moment. Well, I don't just love the partials, I love the full drills as well. But if you're stuck for time, a partial is the way to go. So let's have a look at these. At these diamonds, yes. There we go. Always make sure that your canvas code, which should be written on the diamonds here, matches up to this number up here. That one, 18942. 18942, because that's what connects the two together. It doesn't happen that much, but I have had incidences of where the wrong diamonds have been sent with the wrong kits. Wow. This one has 5 specials, guys. Wow, lovely. Let's zoom up. So we've got a large yellow rhinestone there. Beautiful. We've got a large pearl dome with the extra AB iridescent coating on, which gives it extra shine. We've got a lemon medium-sized pearl dome there as well with the AB coating on. And then we've got a blue medium dome there. It's like a navy blue there. And then we've got like a really light white, almost grey medium pearl dome there with the AB coating on as well. So then we've got a little, I don't know what sort of shade that is. That's like a soft brown, a black, a red, a blue, another blue, like a golden yellow, a baby pink, and then a crystal clear. There we go. Really nice quality as well, as you can see. Very nice. There's no dust near these diamonds at all. So there we go. Lovely. Okay, let me put this to one side and we get the next one out. Next one now. Please excuse Rio in the background as usual. She wants to make her presence known. I'm actually filming in a different room to what I usually film. Hence why we've got a bit of a shadow behind us. There we go. So a huge thank you to GBFKE for being so patient with me, because I've only just started receiving my PR packs again. Just because I wanted to have a little break from unboxings with regards to just, you know, grieving my dad's departure of this world. So yeah, it's not easy, but yeah, what can you do? You've got no choice but to get up and get on with it, haven't you? So we get there eventually. So another 30 by 30. Partial again. So a partial is where you only diamond paint some of the picture, not all of the picture. So yeah, adhesive is good. Do have quite some prominent folds in this one, but that's okay, because once it goes underneath all the other heavier canvases, it should be fine. Just trying to make it nice and as flat as I can at the moment. There we go. So beautiful red background there. And once again, this one, I wouldn't say so much she's a senorita. I'd say she looks a bit like a ballet dancer. Yes. I don't know. There we go. So beautiful, beautiful specials we've got going on there. We can see got some flowers and a little bit of a love heart going on in the background. Very nice, very pretty. Although I'm not sure what's going on with the dress. Little bit odd. I'll have to reevaluate or look back at the image. Yes. So this one does have a thumbnail. The other one didn't. So let me show you the thumbnail. That's a thumbnail. It's not really a good thumbnail. But yes, this one has 7 colours. We have the DMC codes there. And yes, the symbols are all numerical. So let's have a look at the diamonds. Once again, it comes with your standard kit. There we go. I've got a whole bag of them to send off to Diamond Painting with Gems, because she's another YouTuber who does spares ideas. Yes. Okay. Oh, lovely colours going on here. Right, 3 specials and then the rest are just normal crystal and 1 acrylic. There we go. So we have some gorgeous red teardrops there. Beautiful. Some red medium-sized crystal rhinestones there with the facets on. And then we've got some AB coated medium clear rhinestones. So AB coating stands for Aurora Borealis coating, which is an extra iridescent coating applied to the top of the diamond to give it a northern lights effect. So you can see as I'm moving it, you can really see all those different shades coming in, a bit like, well, very much like the Aurora Borealis there. Yeah. We've got a black, we've got another red, that's beautiful, another red, a clear, and then a sort of like a champagne sort of shade, that one is. Yeah. Okay. Right. Let me pause you and I get the next one out. Okay. Last diamond painting now, and then we move on to the cross stitch. There we go, there it is. So I went swimming last night. Yes, I was very proud of myself. It was freezing, it wasn't warm, but it was a bit warmer than what it usually is, so I was okay in the pool. And I've done lots and lots of swimming, but sensibly. Right, there's another standard kit there. Put that to one side. This one I really liked. I saw it and I just thought it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful partial. 30 by 30 once again. Special shape and crystal rhinestone. There we go. And it's a simple image of a lady sitting on the beach. I'm thinking the sun is probably setting and she's just watching the boat go away. Yes, or sail away even. Symbols are once again numerical and alphabetical. And this one, I just really like it. It's simple, but it's very sweet. We're only diamond painting obviously what is sticky, what has adhesive on, and what has the symbols on. But yes, I had to have this one. I just thought it's really, really pretty. And I can imagine once it's completed, it will look fabulous. So we have 10, 12, 14 colours on this one, which is really good for a partial. Let's have a look at the diamonds as well. Nice clear drill area, diamond painting area. She could be a mermaid actually, sitting there like that. Perhaps, who knows? Right, 8926. This one has just 3 specials and the rest crystals. Okay, so we have a medium-sized yellow rhinestone there with facets in. We've got a blue dome. We've got a pearl white dome there with the iridescent coating on. We've got like a dark yellow, a grey, a magenta, a clear, an orange, like a red, yeah, another yellow, a blue, very nice blue, another blue, a pink, and then another bag of clear. Once again, the diamonds look really good. Very nice. Very nice diamonds. Okay. Right, let me pop this to one side and we shall get the cross stitch out. So, I've done that thing again, guys, where I'm standing there talking away, jibber-jabbering away, thinking I've pressed record, and I haven't. I've pressed pause. Never mind. Never mind. It's just a comic of errors at the moment. But the cross stitch, now, I have just unboxed it, unbagged it even, but I'm going to have to do it all again. So, I've made a boo-boo with this one because it is a counted kit where you have to count the stitches onto your Aida cloth. I've never done counted. I have no intention of doing counted, no matter how nice the pattern is. And it was a genuine mistake on my part. But, you know, I should have double checked. But never mind. This is the image. Even busy bees stop and smell the roses. A real spring sort of image. And it's a 14 count, so 2 strands over 1. And it's 30 by 41 centimetres, okay? I am going to presume that you can get it in stamped because there are 2 charts here on this side. And I'm thinking one is for the Joy Sunday symbols and one is for the stamp symbols. Because for some reason with Joy Sunday, their paper chart have different symbols on to the stamp. Okay, don't ask me why. I have no idea. That's just how they've done it. They've always doing it like that. But it can be a bit confusing if you are a beginner though. So we have 24 colours. 18 of which are in full cross stitch, so just your standard X, and then one is in, no, not one, 6, sorry, are in back stitch. Okay, now I'm no longer scared of back stitch because I've, you know, I've done that, I've done it a few times back stitch now, so I've got a bit more confident at it. And you know, it's not the end of the world if back stitch goes horribly wrong. It just isn't. You'll still be left with a really pretty cross stitch pattern afterwards. Okay, so the paper chart on this one is excellent. Nice big bold print here, and lots of back stitch, as you can see, lots of different colors. It is literally practically all over the Ada cloth actually. So oh, I just can't believe I ordered a counted cross stitch, but never mind. I'm thinking I'm just going to have to keep my eye out. Or Nathan, if you're watching this video, please have a look and see if you have the same pattern in a stamped kit. I would love to stitch it. Anyway, moving on from that. As you can see, nice big bold print. You can clear as day see exactly what you need to stitch where. Okay. So, as I said, the Ada cloth is just a lovely piece of Ada cloth, but there's no stamp on it, so never mind. That is my boo-boo. Sometimes, yes, my mind is not quite there at the moment, but never mind. We'll have a look at the beautiful floss. Give it a shake out. There we go. So this is the colour palette, guys. Lots of greens, yellows, a creamy shade there, blues, browns, pinks. Yes, very nice. And I don't know what Joy Sunday, how they do treat their floss, but it's always so shiny and just silky smooth. Really nice. The shine on it, see? I think they must put some special like cotton conditioner on it or something, because it just is always beautiful. Lovely. And I tell you what, you can really tell the difference with Joy Sunday floss in comparison to other kits. But yes, that's the colour palette. And they always give plenty, as you can see. Very nice. Very nice. I haven't run out of any apart from one kit, which was my fault because I stitched it in the wrong place on the design and it was supposed to go somewhere else, but never mind. So let's get down to the prices. So for our for our counted cross stitch, this one is House of Bees cross stitch, £4.13, $5.22, which is really good. Okay. And then for our lovely beach lady here, she is, where is she now? She is £4.05, $5.12. In fact, all of these are the same prices as well. All these beautiful 30 by 30 partials, which I cannot fit in, but there you go. So thank you so much to GBFKE, and please check them out. I'm going to link it all down below, and I hope you all have a blessed remainder of your day. Okay, take care, God bless, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now, guys. Bye.